Good morning, y'all. So I get to go home for Christmas, so that's why I'm headed now. It's been several months since I got to go home, so I'll see you in 10 hours. Just stopped by Taylor's house and her mom had made some sugar cookies. She is definitely the queen of sugar cookies. These are the best ever. About to eat one or two.
This is from Sister K. It is absolutely adorable.
Open it.
Oh, oh yes. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Thank you, Sister K. I love it.
A trip out to eat would not be complete without a trip to the Cheesecake Factory for dessert. It's the Coffee and Cream Chocolate Supreme. Christmas time at Golden Corral. Oh, are these sweaters? That's cute. And I just said I needed new shirts, and she got me some new shirts. Cute, it's a vest. That looks super warm and comfy.
Oh, look how
I bought it for you because it has the little holly that you draw.
What in the world could this be for me? Oh yeah. Now I'm the happiest guy in this room. Thank you, Racy.
Hello. Hello, Ray.
Hey!
One way or the other.
Lindsay has stool salt.
She's recording that!
It just tastes a little bit salty, and it's not horrible.
Ice and salt is good to the other.
Jesus is now the starry light, brighter and brighter we
but I might not end up with this gift, but this is the gift I'm starting with.
This is so sweet.
A cute coffee cup and a Cracker Barrel gift card. You know the dessert's good when they're licking the empty plate.
His dad over there sleeping. That's what it looks like.
It's not very much, but we did get a white Christmas after all. It's so beautiful. It's Merry Christmas!
Our grandma just passed away in August, and so these are her quilts that she's made or she's inherited, right? And we're going to go through and decide, you know, which ones we want to take home and keep forever.
Oh!
Nice. Cool.
That's because I got a fanny pack. Oh, look out!
Oh yeah.
He did not.
I'm sure you went out and got this, didn't you?
Yes, I was there.
Yep. Oh, this is gonna be good.
And I even made decisions.
Oh yeah.
Life is my favorite adventure.
Quit. Okay, you and Chuck.
Oh nice.
Same hat as Elijah.
Oh look. Little ribbon.
Take a drink. Good job.
Oh yeah.
Shake it.
And a bag of peanut butter.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this favorite shot.
You want to go out there with him? You can go out there.